Hold it right as we fucking hit home. Right.
Hold the GoPro. The roof.
This thing is doing it though. Oh my god. I'm amazed. The stalker is fucking getting it done.
As Sean's getting home.
He's on his fucking best sled ride ever. He's in the back like, ooh.
Me and Wes are both like both of our arms.
It's a dope video though.
Hell yeah.
Just video roll.
Hey, don't ruin my
Oh, get it, Nate. Get it. That's where we should be.
The two-wheel drive guy's getting it because now it's powdered.
He's in four-wheel drive. Are you in four-wheel drive?
I am in four-wheel drive, yes. No, but two-wheel drive.
Yeah, I mean, I just saw it now.
Dude, fucking Mitch is probably racking his fucking jaws right now.
It's like, get out of my way with your little fucking beater. Seriously. I'm going around you soon, motherfucker. We're just plowing with our divs right now, bro.